a fidget spinner, a tiny one.
What is that? Popcorn? Is that a popcorn?
This is the butt. This is the face. Caterpillar monkey noodle.
I don't like that popcorn.
I finished playing with puppets. How's a hat? A pop too?
Hey, Phoenix,
Hmm.
Mimi got you a Sprite and a bottle. Do you want that for tomorrow?
Yeah, I want my lunch.
Put your hands up.
This is a puppet game. Shoot. This is my own purse.
No, you cannot take it. Hey, don't. She's trying to fit me.
There's a lot of fidgets in there. Wait, I have another fidget bag.
Oh, back up. She doesn't like that. She wants it right now.
Let's start with the doggy one. I have this one. It's cute, right? This is another monkey noodle. This is a monkey noodle army. Oh, that is a tiny puppet. I'm being quiet because someone's asleep. Oh, God. This is the tiniest puppet. It's supposed to be a keychain. Oh, there's another one. Oh! Oh! Okay. Like, it's gonna be yeah, warning. Yeet. Okay. This is an army.
That is a fake one.
What big?
Saw it. That she's trying to cut it and the knife it got poked and it's a prank. Yeah. I don't want to do it anymore. It's crazy.
Prank is fun.
I just do.
This is an army of monkey noodles. That's all? It's so short. I have like a lot of fidgets. I have another one of these. I don't know how much I have a fidget organizer. This one is a little broken, but it still works. Oh my god, there is another monkey noodle. This is a freaking army. Oh, this is Mochi. Okay, now I'm gonna put this here. Comment down below what is your favorite fidget. Oh, this is sharp. Oh, this is sharp. This is an infinity cube. Oh, I can't tell you what it is. There's another one. Oh, I should have rare ones. Wait. sometimes they're old or not. Because I got those for Christmas. Wait, this is all my jewelry here. What the heck? You could skip this.
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia! I love that song. I love that movie. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, these are all my rings. Okay, I'm start restarting it. Okay, this is all the rings. This is freaking army, man. This is my only one poppet ring. This is all my broken stuff. Old, it's just old, like me. It's almost my birthday. This is this is old, man. This is another mochis. I want my ducky one. Where's my duck? This is this is a penny. Okay. And this is like it's a homemade one. It's like a monkey. You could do like this. It's a little monkey noodle. I made it. This is I don't know what that is. And put it back and a pitch bag. I have a needle, but it can't be lost. I'll give it to someone. Yep. Okay. I got all my fidgets. Well, I have. Oh. Okay. One puppet game. Okay. Okay. What the heck? Yep. One caterpillar monkey noodle. Okay, now put this back. Two infinity cubes. One fidget spinner with pops. Two boring fidget spinners. I want more. Two shark thingies. One tiniest poppet. One pop tube. 4 marble mesh. 1 fidget pad. This is an army of this. Take a little army. 5 monkey noodles. 1 puppet ring. Wait, this is gonna be awkward. Who's here? I was gonna cover my ears. This is a freaking army den of monkey noodles. $25 rings.
Stop it.
gonna put one here. Now it will fit. No, it won't fit. Okay. I need a tiny one. It will fit. Okay. What's it gonna fit? It will be this thingy. It's small. It's a very small than my head. Hello. Okay. Oh, this is freaking tiny.
Hi. It was delicious. It was like.
This is hard. It's very tiny. Come on. Okay. Oh, come on. Here we go. That's one thingy. Stuff. Ew. Okay. One homemade fidget. Broken Rubik's Cube plus one. I don't know what that is. Tell me in the comments. 3 mochis and 1 freaking penny. See you guys.